we have the new belt. It is a 31-inch belt and it's a lot tougher. So I'm going to pop that in, check for any direction arrows on it. I don't think there is. No, it's not directional, this belt, so that's fine. I can just pop in there, out the way for now. Now what I need to do is, like I say, while it's all in bits, I'm going to start oiling stuff. So that was that one, I think. Yep, there we go. So I'm just going to put a blob of oil on the grub screws and the collar, just so that it doesn't seize in there. So pop the collar back in onto the back of the shaft now. Just carefully support it while I start to slide it and wiggle and jiggle it back in. Which might be easier said than done at the minute. That's on. Okay, that's the keyway in, so what I now need to do is line the keyway up with the mark on the gear. So hopefully the gear will go onto the keyway like so. Bit of a wiggle and jiggle, that'll be on. A little bit of lubrication just to help it. There we go. Yeah, that's that back on, nice and tight. Put a little bit of oil on that shaft just so that it doesn't stick to it. There we go. And there's the collar. So that just needs a little bit of air. That's it, just to get that home. So the gasket hasn't split, which is great because that now means that I can just do this back up. Hopefully it won't leak either. So a little bit of oil on bolts, and in we go. In we will go. Right, Allen key, why is it not lining up? So there we are. So just make sure I pull them in evenly. Just to keep the seals square. It's getting a bit tight. There we go. It's better. So I've got the bolts in now, just going to go around and tighten them, give it a tap to settle the bearing housing in. And nip it up a little bit more. Spins nice and freely still. Stop. Okay, so get one more tap. Just to make sure it's settled in, and a final nip.